Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to remove bad reviews from Yelp. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is determine if the review violates Yelp guidelines. Yelp only removes reviews that violate its content guidelines, example inappropriate content, conflict of interest, spam of irrelevance, fake reviews. So in order to report the review, what you need to do is log into your Yelp for Business, head over and open up your app and log in with your credentials. Now once you're logged in, navigate to the review section in your dashboard. Look at the review in question and then click the three dots or flag icon next to the review. Select report review and provide a detailed explanation of why the review violates Yelp guidelines. Yelp moderators will evaluate the review and decide whether it should be removed. This process may take several days. If the review doesn't violate Yelp policies and isn't removed, you can post a public response like stay calm and professional, acknowledge the issue, offer a resolution, and use the opportunity. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.